Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Suzanne, and today I will be doing a small tutorial on how to save your progress in Saga. So today I'll be saving my progress on Neko Hotel. I just finished its rotation yesterday, and it needs to be saved. So you will touch the three dots at the bottom of the pattern picture. And as you can see, this brings up this menu. And in this menu, you can do a few things. We will be going over just saving the pattern backup. Last video, I showed how to export Saga pattern. So as you can see, there's Share Pattern Backup, Save Pattern Markup, Add Pattern Markup. So those are the three that we want to talk about. So the first time you do your pattern, your backup, you would do the Share Pattern Backup. So this will save the pattern and all of your markup. So we'll do that right now. So we hit Share Pattern Backup, and I save mine on Drive, so Other. And here's the name. So what I do is I put the date because I forget when I have saved last time. So I always put the date, and that way it's easy to see. And this, you can see it says Share Backup Pattern Backup, and Include Markups. And this is where you can, if you were just doing it the first time and you weren't exporting it and you wanted to save the pattern, you would unclick that if there was no markup. So, and then you press OK. So now it is going to ask where you're going to put it. And I just did love letters, so we will go into Saga Files and find Neko Hotel. There it is. And save. Easy peasy. So now we go back into the three dots. So I'll explain the Save Pattern Markup. So that is just saving the pattern markups that you have right now. I always just use Share Pattern Backup. I think it's just easier, just in case it has it all. But if you were just saving the pattern markup, it's the same thing. So here it shows you that it's going to be a Cross Stitch Saga progress. That is the extension. So, and I would do the same thing here because I have found that it's hard to figure out which one is the correct one. This was something that I found in Pattern Keeper as well. Same thing, you would put it here, and so you can see it's a SP and not a Saga. So save progress. Okay, so that's done. Now, if I wanted to, say I do this often with between my phone and my tablet, I wanted to add it. So if on my phone I didn't have the pattern already on there, this is where I would just open that shared pattern backup. But if I already had it on my phone and I needed to add the pattern markups that I've already done, then I would click the Add Pattern Markup. And that would just, so we can do that. Let's see, here you go. And then you would just click that, and then it would add it. So that is all there is to it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you have any ideas of different tutorials that you would like to see, leave a message in the comments and I will try to do that. Thanks for watching.